As the Russia-Ukraine war continues to go on, the war has entered an epoch of technology exhibition. As Russia and Ukraine are employing cutting-edge but cheaper weapons, the war has turned into more offensive, meaning no warning, no signal but direct strike. On July 18th, a dramatic video published by the Russian forces shows 2 Ukrainian drones flying over Russian territory. Then a Russian Ka-52 Alligator attack helicopter shot them down one by one after chasing a few times. On the contrary, a footage by Ukrainian forces shows a Russian soldier approaching dangerously close to Ukrainian defenders' positions in the Toretsk sector. The Ukrainian UAV operators and infantry units launched a coordinated attack involving multiple FPV drones equipped with high-explosive munitions. As he was approaching, a munition exploded right behind him, and he saw multiple drones loitering and dropping igniting munitions on him. Although he could throw away a few of them, the majority of the munitions left him on fire. A video filmed by Ukrainian servicemen showing a Russian Iran drone strike in their position with a destructive warhead. A Ukrainian FPV drone identified Russian soldiers on a boat crossing the river. The drone located the position and detonated closely with massive firepower. A few moments later, the captain of the boat was attempting to escape from the drone attack, swimming in the river, but unfortunately another Ukrainian FPV drone identified him and dropped a high-explosive bomb on him. After the bomb dangerously exploded right beside his head, the water has become bloody due to his blood spilled from his head. A dramatic footage released by Ukrainian forces, an FPV drone was launched targeting a Russian soldier hidden in a bush. But as the drone approached him, the Russian soldier rather grabbed it and got out of the bush, and eventually the soldier smashed the UAV against a tree. This time, 2 Russian soldiers on their way back to the base, riding in motorbikes, a Ukrainian kamikaze drone threw them off the bikes, causing severe injuries, and one of them started bleeding.
Жгутуй, быстрей! Резче, блядь! Выходи на Толяну, быстрей!
On the other hand, another footage, captured in village of Simonovka in Sumy region. A Russian Orlan drone monitoring the Geran drone strikes. Russian troops carrying out strikers on Ukrainian forces training camp using Geran loitering munitions. This marks Russia's outstanding strategy deploying high-explosive but cheaper munitions to eradicate opposing forces. Russia's Iskander-M ballistic missile, already designated as Patriot Killer, has destroyed Ukrainian S-300 air defense systems near Yuzhny in Odessa. The strike destroyed 2 S-300PS launchers, a radar and a command post. This is an intense blow to Ukrainian forces. Losing 2 S-300 batteries means disabilities in terms of counteracting Russian aerial threats. Russian armed forces are now constantly approaching deep into Ukraine, with the recent victory at Voskresenka in Donetsk region. 2 Russian soldiers are hoisting their flag showing the victory. In the course of the fighting, the 37th Motorized Rifle Brigade servicemen of the Vostok Group of Forces broke through enemy defenses. As a result of the assault, the Ukrainian AFU troops suffered losses and had to retreat. Russian soldiers continue to move forward, successfully improving tactical positions in South Donetsk direction. A footage from a Russian wooden bunker shows combat footage of Ulyanovsk paratrooper artillerymen targeting a Ukrainian Ukrop UAV control point on the right bank of the Dnieper with the MSTAB artillery gun in the Kherson region. The artillery units successfully hit the target and destroyed the UAV control point. A dangerous scene published by Russian forces, 2 Russian soldiers armed with sniper, one of them aiming its sniper toward an Ukrainian soldier through a hole in the wall.
Готов.
The bullet instantly penetrated the soldier and left him dead. New footage shows a coordinated Russian missile and drone strike on a Ukrainian Lyuty long-range UAV launch point near the village of Hamalivka, Sumy Oblast. Russian forces launched an Iskander-M ballistic missile from an OTRK installation in Kursk Oblast. The missile impacted a command post for the UAV launch point. While a Jaran-2 drone impacted a launch platform for the Lyuty drones. A drone footage of a Russian fighter from the 60th Motorized Rifle Brigade opening up a Ukrop pillbox with a TM-62 anti-tank mine. The mine blew up the Ukrop pillbox in a few seconds after throwing it in. A video captured in the Dnipro region, 4 Russian soldiers are walking through an abandoned residential area. One of them put an anti-tank mine inside a blue-painted house. As a result of the strike, the house was totally smashed.